Alright, the wind is blowing outside really good, so hope I don't lose power. This one here is interesting. PLRZ up at all-time highs. It's got news on it. It's a partnership. So there may be something here with this one. It's a little extended right now. Yesterday I had a crazy, wild, up and down kind of day. It was just nuts for 3.5 hours. What an emotional roller coaster. After the live stream, I ended the live stream down 150. Ended up trading PRTG. Probably can't see this. Man, that rain is really coming down out there. Ended up having basically a break-even day yesterday. But PRTG. And I wish I would have got this recorded. I thought it was PRTG. Maybe it was this one. No, was it this one? It was this one. Yeah, okay. This one here ended up getting in this. Made $200 on this move up, so it got me back. Not quite 200, but anyways, it got me up to green, and then I stopped. It was up and down so much yesterday. So today I want to take it easy. I really want to just go slow. It doesn't have to be stressful. I don't have to trade if I don't want to. I'm really liking PLRZ here, but I'm worried that with a new hourly candle, we may be extended here. There's 240. The VSTE doesn't have news, but possible head and shoulders here. This could be the top for now. And NUKK from yesterday is holding up, but it's super light on volume right now. And higher priced. Oh, look at this PLRZ go. I'm afraid by the time I trade it, it's so I have to make up my mind. Do I want to jump in when we're up this high and hope maybe we see a squeeze up to $3, $4, $5? Or should I play it cool and see if we're going to pull back first? She's really whipping around there. Got about a minute to go. So far the volume looks pretty good. Could be a volume climax candle here. boy, it's just going. I don't know that I want to take a trade on it right out the gate here, but if it pulls back maybe? Don't want to start the day red again. People are buying this. Let's see for the break of $3. A lot of selling there. Try to buy it lower for that next attempt. There's the breakthrough 3. That could be the top for now. I'm gonna wait and see if it pulls back. It was a slow fill. I don't know, big topping tail there. I'm gonna wait. I don't know, it seems like it's strong though, doesn't it? Gotta break that high. Looking up at 325. Equilibrium on the 10-second chart. 350 is that next level. There's 350. $60, up to $75. Do we get a retest of 4? Pretty impressive move. Alright, now we got a long topping tail, as we had that breakthrough 415. So what I did on this one, I got green on it up and through here, small profits, and then as we broke 324, I started adding aggressively and then sold some on this little pullback in case it failed. Then as it started moving higher, I started adding again, and that's how I made $61 on PRLZ. Pretty impressive move. Coming back to 324. I'm gonna buy the first test of the 9 EMA here. So the low of that candle is 28. Should have probably used a limit order on that. Like that right there. Is it going to hold up? Let's see if she does. Low of that candle is 24, so not risking a lot. Oh, it did hold up. Oh, why did I sell it? I'm not going to jump back in it now. Oh, that sucks, man. Yep. Not going to jump back in it, though. See, this started coming down right here on the 10-second chart, and I thought it was going to break, and then the bulls bought the dip, so there's still some buying going on this one. But I don't want to do like yesterday and miss the move and jump in high and then get stopped out. That's what kept happening to me yesterday. I'll buy this little pullback here. Even with that, I feel like I'm in too high. A little slow to get filled on some of these. I just don't really like it. Not where I was in anyways. Ooh. Will it bounce back up? Is it going to drop? It's 5-minute consolidation there, folks. So I'm going to get back out. Okay. Gave her a shot on the 9. So now the resistance to get over is right here at 357. So we're getting a crossover now on the MACD. This one here, OKLO, is a little light on volume. Look at the spread too. I'm at 10-cent spread. Yeah, it's too light on volume. I'm not going to trade that. The volume is coming into it there. Look, I put a limit order in, and it's like way the heck down there. No, let's not do that. Let's not mess around with that. All right, well, I'm at the daily goal. I'm gonna stand up and walk around a little bit. Had high volume on this candle, but essentially just looking for a lower high on the 1 minute time frame because it is a 1 minute downtrend. Where could we find support? Possibly back here at 251. You got the VWAP there. Well, we got a 1 minute trend change here. I don't know why it wouldn't let me get in. I was trying to get in it. I like the 1 minute trend change. Tried to get in it lower, but my order wasn't being placed for some reason. Need to get over 344. A lot of sellers there. I'm in right down there by the 9 EMA. 5 minute candle could pull back some more. I see some buyers on the bid. Not holding up. Oh, I got the wrong one here. Well, that looks better. PLRZ. Oaklow is on the move, but I mean, that one didn't have. That one had a really wide spread. Got pretty high volume there now. Let's just check it out real quick and see if it's still showing a wide spread. It's tightened up a little bit. It's got news on it. Had that one candle with a lot of volume. There's room on this one up to 2265. Volume is coming in on NUKK. It also has a wide spread. keep wanting to get into OKLO, but I keep talking myself out of it. First with the wide spreads and then with the rejection candles, like this one here. You know, had the 5-minute rejection candle. Then you got this one, but now it's looking like maybe it wants to go back up. High red volume candle on that rejection, so I don't know. Kind of a grinder. And then you got NUKK, but the volume is light. I wanted to buy it down into here. And on PLRZ, we have some bottoming tails. Big support in this area, right around the 290s. It's that 5-minute area. High red volume, so seeing light volume on the bounces. Well, I mean, I guess this wasn't bad. Ooh, big seller at 93. I don't know. That one didn't do what I wanted it to do, which was keep going. Yeah. Yeah, I thought if it got over 23, it would just take off up to 49, but nope. Let's give it another whirl here. No, the fact that it didn't close above that level, I'm just not... I mean, it looks like it's curling up, but geez. You know... It's holding up, so that's the good thing. Hasn't broken down yet. So now we have 328 as a level. Today definitely feels a little slower than yesterday. Some unusual volume here on a small candle. Still a lot of selling pressure at 93. What is 93? Must be a level here. That's 92. Nobody's buying this yet. I saw a big seller get taken out. That's why I jumped in it. Oh man, should have took the profit. Oh no. You bastard. Oh. Well, that kind of sucked. I'm wondering if this is one of those that's going to go back up again. Well, I'm telling you what, if we get over 349, I'm going to buy it. I mean, you know I am. Yeah, I was holding for the move through 350. Because I got into one yesterday that I sold too soon. And so today I wanted to hold this. But just couldn't break that level. I will definitely say my trading today has been a little more relaxed. I am a little disappointed though that I traded this breakout and I traded this breakout and lost on both of them, and then I traded this breakout. I thought for sure this would be the one. But now I'm feeling pretty confident that if it breaks 350, that it's gonna go. I want to go take a break, but I'm afraid I'll miss the move. See, the bulls are still buying the dips here. So despite that drop, it's still holding up. And VSTE now dropping down. Couldn't get over 293. Right here. So that's the line in the sand for that one. I don't really want to buy this again here. I'd rather wait. That's PLRZ. Not really into buying it right now. Too many false breakouts. There is definitely some short interest in this one, though, I can tell you that. So anybody shorting this, we got this double top here. So anybody that's been shorting it, most likely will suffer a major short squeeze if this thing decides it wants to go. $349 and $357, but $349 is the more important level. Oklo is still moving higher. Still moving. I'm not going to trade it, but I'll pull it up here so we can see it at least. It's a grinder. 78 million share float. Tell you what I'm going to do. Swatch places with these. Now this one doesn't look like it's going to do anything. It's not holding up too well. It's NUKK. All right, so now I can be over here and I can watch both of these, because I'm wondering if this one gets up over 293, I'm going to be a buyer. And if PLRZ gets up over 350, I'm going to be a buyer. So now I have these both on the same screen so I can kind of just keep an eye on them. Uh-oh. My lights are flickering. Don't want to lose internet. Moments before a possible big breakout. I know I said I wasn't going to, but went ahead, took a starter. Low of that candle is 26, so I'm not going to hold this if it drops down. See if we can break this double top. It's not moving as fast as I'd hoped it would. But I will give it a chance. Starting to curl up on the MACD now, starting to cross over. I wonder if we get one more flush before. And I really think it needs to do it now if it's going to go. I'll buy the dip. Why not? Bring my cost basis down to 329. As it tries to curl off of the 9 EMA. Excuse me. Do I detect a flush coming? It's possible. So I'm not going to risk it. Biscuit. Well, that would have been a good buy spot, probably. Hasn't flushed yet, but we got a new 5-minute candle coming up here. Oh no. You bastard. What? Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Teasing me here. Keeps teasing me. Stop loss is triggered. A minute on that dip, on that pullback. Maybe 5-minute pullback too. Increasing volume on the way up, decreasing volume here on the way down. But it's not holding. Maybe I should have waited for a bigger drop. What I'm trying to do is catch a pullback, catch a drop on this, and then try to see if it'll move back up and finally break through 50. I'd love to be in down here low when it gets back up, if it gets back up to 350. That would put me in the driver's seat. 288 is that low. Volume coming in now on this drop. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Oh, it's 5 o'clock here. Okay, I have put a couple of limit orders in there. Just to see what kind of bounce we might get off of that line. So the low down here is 296, so that's my stop loss. Right here. So there we had 5-minute candles with wicks. So if at the very least, I'm hoping for at the very least a wick up to into the 340s. So I have my stop at the low down at 296, and we'll see if we get that. Went ahead and sold half of it just to book the profit. Then I keep my stop loss down there that way. And I might hold the rest of this just to see if it'll do something. Break even is at 299, so you know, let's just see. Let's see if it wants to get back up to 250. And if it does, that, you know, that's great. If not, no big deal. MTVA announces top line results. Oh, that's a big drop. DSNKY, boy, that's a mouthful. Jeez. So a new 5-minute candle. Let's just see what happens here. Can we get over 50? Basically what we have. This one, I guess you could do that. Keep that 293 level there because that was seemingly an important level. Well, okay, I see some buyers. Moving, moving, moving. Oklo keeps on hitting the scan, but man, there's no way I'm trading it. Unless the spreads have tightened up now, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and exit that trade. I'm going to take a break. Of course, while I'm gone, watch this thing break 350. That would not be good. I would hate that so much. And sitting here waiting all this time, walk away, and then it does its thing. It could. It could. That's what I said way back here. Oh well, if I miss it, I miss it. So this one has a big seller at 286. This, oh, there we go, broke through it. So the seller got taken out. So we'll see what that means here, if anything. I was going to buy the bounce here off of 250, but I was waiting for it to actually come down to 250. $293 was the resistance from before. Let's see what it looks like when we get there. If we get there. Got a new 5-minute candle coming up. Bulls buying the dip on this one. Big seller right there. 294. 295. Huge seller. If we take out 295, I'm getting in this. Right at the volume weighted average price. There it is. I think that was a fake seller because it just like disappeared, like somebody just pulled the order. So there's $3. Low of this candle is 292. That kind of sucked. Okay, that didn't work out. A lot of resistance overhead on this one, but we'll see if we get through it. Maybe get a short squeeze. Remember the double top at 350. Got a moving average crossover here now. High red volume candle. I don't really like that so much. Back testing the 9. Still got that high red volume candle I don't like. New 5-minute candle. But I will say this is the first time the MACD has crossed over with this much space since that initial move. So 325. Can't hardly see the hourly chart because of all my lines. So it broke 325. Can it continue here? Big wick. MACD is still looking good. Still have an EMA cross over here. We did have one here and both of those failed. So it doesn't mean a whole lot, I suppose. Light volume on that 1 minute pullback. Another retest of the 9. So far the dips are getting bought up. Low of that candle is 307. Which is my break even. 5-minute candle is 1 minute away from closing with a possible upper wick if we don't see a move here immediately. So far the dip getting bought, the price getting bought up, but I don't know. It's not looking the best here. I had to get out of that. Now I bought the dip. But it's back below that ascending support line. If it closes above it, that'd be good. So we hit a high of 329 up there. So many lines on the chart. Come on, let's go, boy. It's equilibrium on the 1 minute. So now we're below the 9 EMA. I probably should be taking the profit here. Whoops, I was typing in numbers when that happened. Let's get out of this. Yeah, that was my mistake there. Just typing in share size, I was going to sell half while it was up, and before I could get it typed in, it started flashing. That was over here, I think. Oh. I'm getting a little frustrated. Is there really nothing else to look at here? You have BST, I'm already watching. PRZO, I'm red on. Red on both of these, actually. Only traded these two stocks this morning. Red on both of them. So do I buy it if it gets over 305? That's kind of what my thought process is here. There's a big flush. I don't know, the volume's light. Let's wait. Just wait. Just wait it out here for a second. Just really playing in all this chop, and it's not good. 5-minute candle. I don't like that so much. Gotta get over 305 basically. $305, here we come. Nope. See, it's just stalling out again. Just stalling out. Tricking me. I see those dips being bought up and I think, man, maybe it's going to go this time. Okay, there's 305. Can it hold up? I don't know, a lot of red volume here. I'm going to get out half of that just in case. Tough crowd today, tough crowd. MOBX. Not enough volume. No news. Well, let's check it out. Why not? Got nothing else going on? Resistance up at 344. Yeah, those never work for me when they're popping up like that and I try to jump in them. Okay, well, I hit my max loss. My platform shut down. I'm still able to sell the position I'm holding, and I'm waiting because I bought it. I knew that I was 40 cents from my max loss, and I figured I'd probably get or hit that loss, but then that I'd be able to come over here and wait. If we break 267, I'm gonna exit this trade. I can't buy anymore because I don't have any buy buttons available to me. But I think this is a good area for a bounce, just a small bounce if nothing else. So I've got my limit order here, and I'm ready to sell it if it breaks 67. If it breaks down below 67. I can't see my profit, so I don't know. I know that that's about my break even right there where it's at. It's just a matter of how long do I want to hold this. Long as it holds 267 and goes up. I could get out now, break even. 275 is my break even spot. Let's just see what happens here. This is not going to get me back to green, but should I sell here? Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and sell it. Okay, so I got out right there. So let me see how much I'm down. Down 44. Okay. So technically I could fire my platform back up and try to trade again, but I don't know. I'm kind of thinking about, oh, kind of wish I would have held it a little bit longer, but I don't know if I should fire it back up. I'm $6 away from a max loss. Maybe I could catch a good trade at the open. I don't know. It's possible. It is definitely possible that could happen. Well, since I'm not technically at my max loss, I'm going to fire the platform back up. Get ready for the open. Worst case scenario, I stop out and hit the max loss. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to reduce my risk since I am $6 away, about $5 away from a max loss. So I'm gonna reduce my risk to $5 per trade. That'll give me a chance to try to get back to green. So let me see what we have. Let's start over here. So VSTE leading gapper this morning, up 81.5%. It's sold off quite a bit here, and so I can't say that I'm really all that interested in trading it. I think I ended up trading 3 stocks this morning. MOBX I took a loss on. MTech just hit the scan. And it's another one that's selling off. So this is not a very good morning. I don't know if I'm, yesterday was different. Yesterday I restarted the platform twice. Because I felt yesterday there were lots of opportunities to make money, so I felt like it was a good day to try to push it a little. Today, restarting the platform when I'm close to my max loss here, the chances of making money back. I had a really good trade this morning on PLRZ, but it's not even on my scanner. Oh, hold on, maybe I missed something here. LITM. Okay, so I did miss one. I was watching this one earlier, but I quit watching it. LITM, no news though. Absolutely no news. It hit those daily levels and now it's pulling back. So cheaper stock, definitely some good volume. Nice breakout trade. Look at this breakout right here on the 1-minute chart. Certainly wish I would have been watching for that. Yada yada yada. This one is the hottest stock I can see so far. There's also CGTX. CGTX does have news. It is cheaper, but maybe there's something here. I don't know, because if I'm looking at the gap scan on the regular stocks, I don't like VSTE. It's sold off too much. A bounce is the most likely play. It's not holding its levels. There is a support area down in here, but it's a long ways from $4 from the highs. PRZO, same story, sold off. It's been consolidating for quite some time here. Also consolidating down in a zone. That's a no for me. I mean, maybe it does something. NUKK, continuation play from yesterday. It's not looking very strong either. If I'm going to trade something that looks good, something that looks like it might have potential. This one's got a higher float, so I'm not going to touch that. VRAR, I mean, it's sideways. MOBX, I already lost on that one, and it does not have a headline. I don't really see any good headlines this morning. I thought I saw one earlier, but I don't know what it was on. QUBT, yesterday I traded this one. I think it was one I lost on. No, actually it was my big winner, one of my big winners. The big winner yesterday, made $218. That's the one that I came back on. So it gave some nice moves. So as a continuation setup, maybe it still has some good volume to it. It's kind of selling off right now. But it's, you know, it's hourly consolidation here, coming down into this level at 1860 area. I am just curious about something, the PLRZ. Oh, so this is where I took that last trade and sold it up there. Could have held it for a little bit longer. See, it's sold off. I mean, this one's just dropping now. It's starting hourly consolidation. So I'm no longer interested. It would have to get back up above 350 if I was going to trade it again, because it was just too choppy in this area. It really gave back a lot of profit. Less than 15 minutes until the open, and I really don't have a stock that I like here. I'm almost thinking maybe I won't trade. NUKK is starting to bounce. All I can really do is just pick some, put them up on my charts and watch them. That's what I've been doing all morning. This one, so let's just check real quick. So this one doesn't have news. No, this one does have news. This could be the obvious stock here. Let's take a look. Meets the primary endpoint. It's got some really good news on it, and this thing, it's got room. It's above the 200 moving average. It's got room up to 250. This could be the one. $295, $350. So if it wants to start like halting up, I like to mark these levels out just in case, because these cheap stocks like this could go pretty quick. So I'll stop there. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on my watch list. I like this one the best, even though it's cheaper, but it can quickly become more expensive. I'll look at the other cheaper ones here. ABAT has news, so this is a cheaper stock kind of day. I hadn't even been paying attention to that scanner. A lot of upper wicks on the chart on this one, but it's got American Beauty Technology wins $144 million grant contract from U.S. Department of Energy. Okay, so it won a contract. It's good news. People might be interested now in this company and maybe investing in it. $1.50, $1.55. So what do we got for a float on this one? Yeah. It's the same with CGTX. It's CGTX is manageable, but this ABAT, it really, it's up 51%. I guess if it can go 50%. No, I don't. I see it trading here. No, I'm not going to trade that one. Really, honestly, I'm not sure I like CGTX anymore either. Uh, 112 million shares traded with 33 million in the float. So it's only turned over like 4 times. And this one here, 10 million shares traded, but it's got 69 in the float. 69 million. So, I mean, how far can you really expect that one to go? Where this one, look at this. This is 6 million in volume shares traded today and only 643,000 in the float. So this is turned over 10 times. These shares have turned over. But this one's selling off. And LITM, it doesn't have news. Man, I just don't see anything I like this morning. Wow. Well, I guess we'll see. Yeah, looking at the price and how this thing's trading, don't like it. So, for the first time ever, I'm not gonna have any stocks I'm watching. I don't have a watch list. EOSE floats 214 million. I'm not trading that. Yeah. All right. Well, there's my watch list. Nothing. So I'm just gonna kind of browse through them as at the open and just see if I see anything good, because I really don't know what to look at, and I don't want to put a bunch of junk stocks up here and accidentally take a trade on one and hit my max loss. I'm looking for a really good setup, you know. I'll just wait for breaking news or something. Okay. Well, it's against my better judgment, but I'm going to watch NUKK. It's got some volume coming into it, but it's got to get over that 1920 level. We'll see. There she goes. Market's gonna open in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Where would it pull back to? Yeah, that breakout spot. Already back tested that. Got some high red volume coming into it here. Limit orders only on this. New 1 minute candle coming up here. She's going, huh? Ooh, I think I might be in her too high. Max loss time? Max loss time. There we go. Friggin' A, man. Oh, now I'm down 57. I should have waited for the pullback. I think this one's got potential. Oh no, I think I just bought a halt. So my platform didn't shut down because I didn't have the max loss running. And because of that, I was tempted to keep trading. Can you believe that? So now I'm in a halt at the top of the halt. Wow. Oh God. This could be bad. Well, at least it's small share size and I'm only in once. So there's that. We'll see you in 5 minutes. Let's check out some of these others. VSTE. PRZO. It's got volume. Rather extended here. And LAES. $0.65, yay! Come on, come down for me. I want to get in this, but I want it to come down. I don't really want to buy a break. Come down, come down. Somewhere down there. Don't break straight out. Don't do it. Don't do it. Sellers at 240. Can we get over 240? Or we got over 240. Coming up to VWAP. Gonna pull back here. Gonna keep going. What are you gonna do? It's gonna pull back. Failed to close above 239. Ooh, is this gonna flush? It looks like one of those that's gonna flush down. 223 down there. Let's go. Let's get up to the high of day here. 244. And then we got the VWAP, 5-minute inside bar. Resumption over here on NUKK momentarily. What the heck? Tried to sell it and didn't sell. Man, this one doesn't want to work with me very well. Is it gonna halt going down? Dang it. Ooh, the orders are slow to fill this morning. Super slow. $260 is the top of that candle. Sold it all there. Limit orders don't work very well on this stock because of the tight spreads. Come on, keep on going. Get over 60. There's big sellers at 60. Can we break 60? Give me a break. Sellers going away. Sell a little bit there. Pulling back. Big drop. When will resumption be? Look at LAES here. Got to check. NUKK halted at 637.42, so 652.42 should be resumption. Am I getting in too high there? I should wait for a pullback, honestly. But it looks so very strong. Keep on going here. There's a resistance. Oh, up there, 266, 274. You got a high of 337. Oops, I didn't sell it. I wasn't watching. I know what's going on here. $309. I better 42. So we're gonna have resumption over here at the 42-second mark. 42, yeah. Gosh, I'm gonna take a loss on this guy. Ah, man, that sucks. Here we go. Boom, big loss. Oof. Thought there'd be a bounce, but there was not a bounce. Man, that thing just keeps on wanting to go lower. That sucked. You know, I need to stop. I'm down pretty big here. This ain't good. Rid of some of these lines. No. I messed up and I didn't turn my max loss system on. I should have been done already. I'm feeling frustrated and emotional. Now I got a big losing day to come back from tomorrow. God, man. This sucks. Let's try this double bottom here. I'm just gonna try it. Coming off of 243. Back above VWAP. I was right getting in over here. On this drop. I didn't hold it though.